So, hi besties! Welcome and thank you for clicking into this video. But before we start, I just received the parcels from the rider and let's unbox it. Please take care of my order. The item that we have here is a mini speaker. I bought the mini speaker at Tixi66 for only 168 pesos. The link of this product is on your screen right now. These are the USB connector and audio jack, and this is where you can control the audio level. The speakers itself are covered with plastic, so now we're going to remove it. This is what the mini speaker looks like. Now let's try to connect the wires to the PC. Make sure both the audio jack and the USB connector are plugged in, otherwise the speaker won't work. I am just going to put the speaker at the back. A notification will appear on the screen. Choose headphone and click OK. Now let's try to play a song. After testing the speaker, let's move on to the web camera. I also got the webcam from Shopee at EP.3. Aside from the 2K Full HD web camera that I bought, they also offer 720p and 1080p web camera. The price ranges from 219 pesos to 539 pesos. I saw this hole on the base of the web camera and I think you can attach it to a tripod. Now I'm going to connect it to my PC. And let's test it with zoom. This camera is impressive. It is clear and legit 2K Full HD. Wait for a moment as I install it and let's call our mom.
Madangag mo? Ayun.
Now you can hear that the speaker is also working fine. Link above your screen.
Redirection natin sa pink, pink and right, possible effect. At padunod, nag-isura ti posible na effect.
I hope you like this video and also the links of the products are in the description box below. See you on my next Shopee unbox video. Bye!